Setting up the title block. In this first drawing, what we'll be doing is just setting up the layers that we'll be using to draw our future drawings. This is going to be kind of our foundation file that we always go to begin all drawings. When we first start out, this generally pops up. What we want to do is open up small object inches. Press it, open. All of the drawings, at least initially, that we start out with are going to be two-dimensional, which means we don't need to see this perspective, the right view, or front view. In order to just view the top view, we're going to double-click where it says top, and what you'll see is only that view. We're going to be drawing our title block right in this area, the upper right quadrant, which happens to be, I believe, quadrant 1, 0, 0. If you're thinking about the Cartesian coordinates, is right here where those two meet. We're going to be drawing from that point out into that upper right corner. But first, as I mentioned, we're going to set up layers. In order to do this, you want to click on this pie shape button. It's a red, white, and blue pie shape. If you click on that, you'll notice this big box pops up, and we have layers already started. There's default, there's the layer 1, 2, 3, or 4, and 5. We're going to modify these relatively quickly, and then we'll set up our drawing or get started on it. Just to begin, we're going to change this red layer. There's a list that I have. The first one, if you just click on it, like in Word, we're going to change this to dimensions. We're going to use that layer for all of the dimensions. We're going to keep it red. Continuous is the line type, meaning it could be dashed or something. Continuous is a straight solid line. The default, the print width, we're going to change to 0.18. Print width refers to how thick the line is. Like when drawing with pencil, you can press harder, you'll get a fatter line. The next layer is we're going to change this to object line. Most of what we draw will be on this layer. We're going to change that back to black. Continuous is good. This is going to be a fatter line. This is going to be fairly important in comparison to everything else. The object is going to be kind of what we really want to observe. Next one we'll do as title block. You can choose any color that you would like for this one. Orange with that for me. And then this is also going to be a relatively thick line. We're going to go 0.25. Green layer here, what we'll change this to is our guidelines. Guidelines, if you remember, are lines that are very light. In this case, they're going to be invisible. As you draw, they're very light. In this case, it's going to be invisible. We're going to set up one for future. For this one, we won't be actually using them, but hidden lines. I'm going to change this to cyan, relatively light color. We're going to change the color or the type to a dashed line, and change this to 0.18. Now we have all of the layers set up, at least initially. We'll be adding more later, but now we can begin and put certain lines or objects into certain layers, coordinating the drawings. You can close us out, and this will bring us back to here.